If you're thinking about getting the PaySera International Debit Card, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at the terms of service, the advantages and disadvantages of the card, and whether it's the right choice for you. Let's start with the basics. PaySera is an online bank known for its low-cost international payment solutions, and its debit card is designed to work seamlessly across borders. But what makes this card special, and more importantly, is it the right one for you? Advantages: low fees for international transactions. One of the main selling points of the PaySera card is its competitive international transaction fees. Compared to traditional banks, PaySera offers lower currency conversion costs, which is great for frequent travelers. Free ATM withdrawals, up to a limit in some regions. You can withdraw money from ATMs for free, up to a certain limit, saving you money on cash access. Multi-currency support. This debit card allows you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, which can be handy for those who deal with international business or travel often. Online integration. The PaySera card is well integrated with its online banking platform, making it easy to track expenses, make payments, and manage your account on the go. Disadvantages: ATM withdrawal limits. While you can make free withdrawals, there are strict limits in place. Exceeding them can lead to significant fees, especially abroad. Limited global ATM access. The PaySera card is not accepted at all ATMs worldwide, which can be a problem in some countries. Monthly maintenance fee. Unlike some debit cards, PaySera charges a small monthly fee, which might add up over time, especially if you don't use the card frequently. Overview of services. Global payments. PaySera allows you to send and receive international payments easily, thanks to its broad network of partners. Mobile app. The card is linked to an intuitive mobile app that provides real-time transaction notifications and expense tracking. Additional features. PaySera also provides options for virtual cards, making online shopping more secure. Costs. Issuance fee. PaySera charges a small fee to issue the physical card. Monthly maintenance. There's a recurring fee, although relatively low, that you should be aware of. ATM withdrawal fees. Exceeding the free limit for ATM withdrawals can result in significant charges, especially if you're overseas. Currency conversion fee. While competitive, there is still a conversion fee for transactions made in a currency different from your account's primary currency. Is it worth it? If you travel often or need to handle international payments regularly, PaySera's low fees and multi-currency support make it a strong option. However, the monthly maintenance fee and ATM withdrawal limitations may be a downside for some users. So, should you get the PaySera International Debit Card? Watch the full video to find out if it's the best choice for your financial needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found this review helpful.